Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you the process of me getting my big chop, or will you call it a small chop, because my hair wasn't so long. You may be wondering why I decided to do the big chop instead of transitioning. In this video I'm going to be telling you briefly the few reasons why I decided to do a big chop. However, I'm going to be uploading a video on the pros and cons of doing a big chop versus transitioning, so please watch out for the video. Okay, the first reason why I decided to do the big chop was that I was experiencing a lot of hair breakage, and the details of this hair breakage is in a video that I'm going to be linking in the cards. The second reason why I decided to do the big chop was that I had split ends. I wish I could have snapped it, but there were some split ends that I saw that were like trees and branches. Like my hair was really dead, like really bad, and the hair breakage I was experiencing was something else. It was like hair there, here and everywhere. On my pillow I saw hair. When I was combing my hair, it fell on my shoulders, on the floor, everywhere was hair. So that was the pointer that my hair was really damaged, and for me I felt it was a waste of time to keep on putting hair products on the dead hair. Actually, when I experienced the hair breakage, I was experimenting with some hair regimen, and the hair regimen I was using at that time was the most intense hair regimen, and it was the Hairlicious hair regimen. I have a review on that hair regimen. It's also going to be linked in the card. So I was using that intense hair regimen, but the hair breakage seemed not to respond, so I felt it was a waste of my time, my energy and my money to be putting hair products on dead hair. Then the third reason, when I say I'm used to low cuts, right from when I was small, I used to have low cuts like periodically, and the last time I did a haircut, I liked how I looked at that time. So for me, I don't see, there's no big deal in me doing a big chop. I'm in a way used to see myself on low cut. If you're enjoying this content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a lady, can you do the big chop? And if you're a man, would you encourage your wife to do the big chop? The next reason why I decided to do the big chop instead of transitioning was that I have tasted a bit of transitioning, and I found out that transitioning may not be for me. It's so difficult handling two textures, especially fussy hair and straight relaxed hair. So I wasn't ready for the hard work involved with transitioning hair regimen. So this officially starts my new natural hair journey. So I implore you to please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and let us learn about hair together.